are some general guidelines for using Latch. First, fasten the safety seat's lower attachment to your vehicle's lower anchors. Tighten and adjust according to the instructions in the manual. You may need to use your upper body's weight to press down the seat as you attach the lower attachment hooks for a tight fit. If you are using a child safety seat in a forward-facing position, attach the safety seat's top tether strap to the top anchor in your vehicle. Pull to tighten. Check to see if the seat is tight in the car. You should not be able to move it more than an inch, side to side or forward. Always make sure you are attaching to the latch anchors, not part of the vehicle's trim or other vehicle tie downs. And never fasten more than one safety seat to the same anchor. The latch system may make car seat installation easier, but remember, whether it's by latch or by seat belt, any properly installed child safety seat can save lives.